Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you something really interesting. What if I tell you that you can turn any computer or laptop into a smart TV just using a simple USB drive? No need to buy an Android TV box, no installation on your system, and you can carry it anywhere in your pocket. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to install Google TV on a USB drive and also how to unlock full storage so you can install apps without any problem. Don't worry if you are a beginner, just follow the steps carefully and you will be able to do it easily. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have everything ready to avoid errors during the process. You will need a USB drive, minimum 8 GB but 32 GB or 64 GB is recommended. A Windows PC or laptop. A stable internet connection. Rufus, bootable USB creation tool. And the Google TV files. Also, if it possible, use a USB 3.0 drive or an external SSD for better speed. Once everything ready, we can move ahead. First, download the Google TV package and Rufus. As you can see here, I have already downloaded the Google TV 13 zip file. I have added the download link in the description below so you can easily download it from there. After downloading it, right click on the zip file and select Extract All. Then click on Browse and select the location where you want to save this extracted file. After that, click on Extract. Now you can see that the file has already started to be extracted. And this is our extracted folder which will help us install Google TV. Also, I have already downloaded Rufus. If you don't have yet, you can simply open the Microsoft Store and install it. Now plug in your USB drive. Open Rufus. It should be automatically detect your USB. If you are using an external SSD and don't see it, enable List USB hard drives. Now click Select and choose Google TV 13.iso. Inside the extracted folder, you will find Google TV 13.iso, the operating system, and storage folders. It contains storage files 4 GB to 64 GB. These storage files will act as the internal memory of Google TV. For now, just select ISO file here and then click on Open. Before clicking Start, make sure these settings are correct. Partition scheme should be GPT. Use MBR if your system is very old. File system should be FAT32 and drag the persistent partition slider to maximum. This part is very important because it allows apps and to be saved. Now click Start. Then click OK. Now you will see a warning that all USB data will be erased. Click OK. Now it will take some time, so be patient. Once done, your USB is bootable, but don't boot yet. If you boot now, you will only get about 1 GB storage, which is not enough. So let's fix that. So right click your Windows Start. Then go to Disk Management. Now find your USB drive. You will see two partitions, one small boot partition and one larger persistence partition. The problem is that it's formatted as FAT32, which has a file size limit. Now right click the persistence partition. Then click delete volume. Then click on yes. Now it will show as unallocated space. Right click unallocated space. Then click new simple volume. Under simple volume size in MB, use always maximum size. Then click next. Select assign any drive later and then click on next. Now select file system as exFAT. Then again click on next. After that click finish. Now your USB has boot partition and large system partition. Now we unlock full storage. Open the boot partition. Find system.sfs. Now right click it and select cut, not copy, and paste it into the system partition. Now go to the extracted folder. Then open storages. You will see 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB and 64 GB. Choose based on your USB. If your USB is 16 GB, then use 8 GB file. If your USB 32 GB, then use 16 GB file. But if your USB is 64 GB, then use 32 GB file. Always choose half of your USB size for best performance. Since my USB is 64 GB, I am selecting 32 GB here. Now extract this file. Then you will get data.img. Copy this into the system partition. Now your system folder should have system.sfs and data.img. That's it. Your USB is fully prepared. Most modern PCs have secure boot enabled, which blocks this setup. So restart your PC and enter BIOS using keys like F2, F12, delete, escape or F10. Once you enter the BIOS, find secure boot. Change it enable to disabled. After that, click on apply. And then click OK. After that, save and exit. Now restart again and open your boot menu by pressing F12, escape, F8 or F11. Now here, select your USB drive and then press enter. You will see Google TV boot menu, normal kernel for laptops and external display for monitors. Since I am doing this on a desktop, I am selecting external display here. First boot takes a few minutes. USB 3.0 is faster and USB 2.0 is slower. Just wait patiently. Now you will see the setup screen. Select your language. Now connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. After that, sign in with your Google account. This will give you to access Play Store, apps and everything. Now accept the terms and finish setup. Now you will see the Google TV home screen. Now open the Play Store and install apps like YouTube, Netflix and many more. Everything runs smoothly. Note: try using a USB 3.0 or SSD. Use a stable internet connection and restart your system occasionally to keep it running smoothly. Now comes to the most important question. Is this safe? The answer is yes, it's completely safe. It runs fully from USB. It does not touch your Windows or any internal storage. Remove USB and your PC returns to normal. And just like that, you have turned a simple USB into a powerful smart TV system. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.